How is everyone doing today? It is Andrew from IDB here, and we got our HomePod today, and it has been absolutely amazing. But there is quite a large limitation, and everyone's kind of been worrying how it's going to play out, and that is the ability to play anything really other than Apple's walled garden of iTunes Match and Apple Music. You pretty much have those two options. So if you're a Spotify subscriber, you have everything else in the Apple ecosystem, you want a HomePod so bad, but you're worried, how am I going to play Spotify through my HomePod? And what is that going to mean for playback? Well, don't worry, because there is a relatively easy way to play Spotify on your HomePod. Now, basically, you just start off from your phone, whereas the HomePod, you can do everything completely hands-free with Siri. If you open the Spotify app, play some music, head to devices available, then to devices available once more, you can tap on more devices. This will bring up any Bluetooth or AirPlay speakers you may have, including the HomePod, which you can see right here is located in my kitchen. And now I am streaming my Spotify playlist, my Spotify music, everything from my phone straight over to my HomePod. Now there are definitely limitations to this, but it works really well. I had no issues. I'm running the 11.3 beta right now, not having any playback problems. Everything's working very, very smoothly. Of course, you can also jump to this through Control Center. You don't have to go through all those annoying steps inside of Spotify. You can just play it, then open Control Center. But there's a limitation, and that is Siri will not work for you. You can't ask Siri to play or pause your current playlist. It's not going to work. It'll only work with Apple's tracks. You can still control the volume from there, but as far as actual playback, that's relegated to using your device, whether it's your Mac over AirPlay, your iPad, iPhone, whatever it may be. This is definitely a bit of a workaround, but fact is, it works, and it works pretty good, and you're going to have pretty much a similar experience as you would with any Bluetooth speaker that's out there. Of course, there are other Wi-Fi speakers that'll just work with Spotify natively and use voice control. So if Spotify is that important to you and you don't care about the other benefits of the HomePod, definitely check those out. But if you're an Apple user, you want the HomePod, you want it for the HomeKit support, everything like that, and you want to play Spotify, this is your way to do it. You can still do it, works from your phone, and of course, it still sounds great. Let us know what you think down below in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe, and until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.